The needs of a plant.
For a plant to stay alive, it needs five things I would not lie. It needs water so it can grow. And it needs soil just like so. Plants need space, they can't be tight. The sun helps plants by giving light.